Hello, welcome back, everyone. We are here live in Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander behind the camera. We have Faith inside this home, and today we are going to show you this home, which is the Grand. Now, the specs on this home are 4 beds, 2 baths, with 1039 square footage. All right, let's give it a little knock. Not barge in this time.
Hi, y'all. Welcome back.
Hey, Faith, how's it going?
Super good. Welcome to the Grand. And you know what's going to be grand this year? Christmas. I'm so excited for Christmas, and I'm sure you all are too. Tell us what's on your Christmas wish list. What do you want this year for Christmas in the comments down below? We want to know. We're super excited, and we're excited for you too. So without further ado, let's start this tour. So here's your living space. Pretty good amount of space. You could put maybe a breakfast nook over here. You could put a TV over here with a couch, maybe a small L-shaped couch. Enough room for you and your family to just really cozy up and really enjoy some time together in here. And if you come this way, this is the kitchen. Now I know we have the kitchen table in here, but we could also maybe put like a bar top table over there with some bar stools, kind of free up this space. Maybe you get one of those fancy rolling islands, and that adds more storage, more counter space for you. And it's really functional when you cook, We have a lot of space here, lots of cabinets, like so much storage. You got your drawers down here. Got this really deep drawer, which is perfect. Oh my goodness. Perfect for pots, pans, your big water bottles that you can't store anywhere else. I don't know why they make them so big you can't store them anywhere. And your laundry room here with your washer and dryer hookup. Cool. Well, we're going to go to the primary bedroom over here. Here's that back door again. Put a little porch back here. Relax with your family. And here's the primary bedroom. Probably big enough for a queen. 2 side tables, dresser, and maybe you have a little bookcase over here if you like to read like me. And then here is our primary bathroom. Oh my goodness, look who it is. It's Brosty, letting us know that there are 11 days till Christmas. Y'all better get that shopping done. It comes up fast. It always does. Here in your primary bathroom, we have your walk-in closet. It's attached to your bathroom. Plenty of space to hang clothes, storage on the ground, storage up. It's very nice. And here we have your sink, storage underneath, and your tub and shower combo. I think this specific home model would be very good for, maybe a single mom, single dad, someone that really needs to kickstart with their family. This is a really good starter home. Or maybe you're into DIYs. This would be a great DIY home. You just never know what this home could be. Here we have our first secondary bedroom. Now this doesn't have to be a bedroom. This could be an office, an art studio, because you do have this big window letting in all that natural light. It could be a yoga studio. It could be like a small little gym with like weights or something. Probably not enough room for a treadmill. I mean, maybe if you like cardio, but you can lift and do all those things. And here's that closet for you. Nice storage space up and down. We can come this way to our secondary bathroom. You got everything you need in here. Storage under the sink, tub, shower combo, just everything you need for that guest and secondary bathroom. Here is our second bedroom. Again, if you want to make that an office and this an art studio, or this an office and that an art studio, you can. Or this can be a bedroom. Probably big enough for a twin side table and dresser. And again, your closet with space up, down, all around. We're gonna head over here to our third secondary bedroom. Now this one is big. You could put double, queen. Maybe you're gonna have your kids share a room. You could put 2 twins. Plenty of space here for someone to be cozy, comfortable, happy in here. And here is your closet. Well, I think that wraps up today's video. If you don't tune in next time, happy early Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm so excited. My dad on Christmas, he always makes gumbo on Christmas Eve, and we just eat it up and get all cozy, and hopefully it's cold this year. I'm praying it's cold this year. But yeah, let us know down below what your family traditions are. We really want to know. So thank y'all for joining. See y'all next time. Bye y'all.